Okay, so if you're struggling with this problem, here's how I would do it. Alright, so I would take a piece of paper and mark my inches. So this is supposed to be 1 inch. It may or may not be accurate, but that doesn't really matter because we're just using this scale equaling this many miles. So this inch equals 557 miles. So they want me to go from New York to LA. So I'm going to just go like this. Here's 1, so it goes to right under the N. Well, let's see, LA is down here, so let's get a good angle at it. 1, or what you could do, yeah, this might even work better. Let's do it like this. Mark, 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 mark. This probably is far enough. So now I know my start is here. Doesn't matter if I go from New York to LA or LA to New York. Look at that, perfect. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 5 of these inches. So each of these inches equals 557 miles. So I just have to multiply this by the 5. And that equals my calculator up. I can't calculate that. Calculator. 5 times 557 that equals 2,785. So if I type that in, 2,785, and click this button here, it says close enough. So roughly, that's correct. Okay, and now the distance in, what is the distance from New York to Detroit? I already have my scale done, so I can do, here's Detroit, and there's New York. So it's about 1, 2, 3.5. So I'm going to take 3.5 times 557 times 3.5 equals 1949. So I put 1949 on the page. Ooh, not close enough. So let's try. I think I have to reload it. Let's try 1900. Oh, it's in kilometers. Oh, so now we have to convert to kilometers. So we said 1949, right? 1949.5. I'm going to highlight that. Oh, I'm going to copy. I'm going to go to Google. I'm going to paste that in. Oh, it's not letting me paste it in. That's weird. So 1949.5 miles in kilometers. Okay, so it's 3,137. Check that. Did I type it in wrong? 3,137. Let's try that again. Detroit, Rock City. Okay, so maybe it's not half, maybe it's a quarter. So 1, 2, 3 1/4. So let's back this up. 3.25 gives me 1810. I'm going to convert this. 2912. Let's try 2912. Gotta refresh. Okay, 2912. Oh, no duh. We're using a different scale now. So here's, I'm not a very good teacher, am I? Forgot about the change in scale. So that's 600 right there. That's 500, 400, 300, 200, 100 kilometers. So see how the bottom's in kilometers and the top is in miles. So now we'll go to Detroit, to New York. So that's 600 to right there, and another 200. So it's like 800 kilometers. Oh. There we go. That's better. So we have to make sure we use the scale according to whatever one we're on. So that's pretty much the same scale. So how many miles apart are the college and the circle? So here's Columbus Circle, here's Brooklyn College. So we'll go with basically 1, 2, 3.5. 3.5 inches is that scale. So one 82932 is times, what did we say? 3.5, I think we said. Oh, that's like more like 3 3/4, which would be 0.75. 0.75 equals 685,995. Let's see what happens. Ugh. Let's just try 3. 182,932 times 3. 548,796. Guess we're going to have to get exact with this one. It says close enough, but I don't really think they mean it. Birds. Let's see. So, yeah, my scale was way off. I used the wrong scale. 1, 2, 3, about 4. So we'll take that number times 4. So 182,932 times 4. 73. 731, 728. 731, 728. Are you ridding me? Oh, you see, they're giving it to us in inches, and they want us to convert that to miles. So 73, 728. Oh, what was it? 731, 728, I think. Yeah. And we met this, and so this is inches. We want this to be in miles. 11.5. Close enough. Finally. Let's see if we can do this one right on the first try. So, we've got to use a new scale. This is going to be here to here. Okay. So we need to do this one first. Okay, so the first one is about 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 of those, which would be 800. So 800, right? Because it's 200, 400, 600, 800. Then we need to do this one right here, which is about 200. So from here to here, it's about another 200. And then about another 246 plus 600. Okay, so that was in meters. I guess we could have used feet, but it's a different scale. So we use feet. So let's go with over here. This is asking for meters. So we